Hey all, it's Jeff and Beth, aka Live Wire. We are headed to go do some hiking and fishing in the world of Arkansas. Miss Beth, what do you want to do? What's the top 3 things you want to do in Arkansas while we're up here?
Catch a rainbow trout, cook a rainbow trout, and High Point, Mount Magazine, all 2,400 feet of it.
Boom, nothing but net.
Jeff, what are the top 3 things that you want to do in Arkansas on this trip?
Great. Well, heck, I think like you said, let's catch some fish. Number 2, I would love it to be able to high point the state of Arkansas. And then the 3rd one, I read a lot about black bears, Beth. What do you think if we ran into a live black bear? What would you think of that?
I'm going to let you take care of the black bears, baby.
Remember, all I got to do is run faster than you. That's it. Oh my God, that oatmeal looks fantastic. I am thrilled. Now we got, what would you put in it?
Bananas, blueberries, nuts, butter, some maple syrup.
Oh, maple syrup. Living high on the hog. And coffee. All right, Miss Bethy, we are now...
Oh, we're filming.
We are now ready to... We're clothed. If you all can see, we've got our waders on. We are going out into that river, White River, actually. World-renowned...
Go catch some fish!
World-renowned trout fishing river. So we better catch some trout, don't you think?
We're going to have fish for breakfast.
And we've got our gear. Look at this. Look at down here. Tell them what you got, Bethy. What do you got?
Fishing poles!
Fly fishing and spinning. We're going to get them all different ways. We did not...
For the big ones.
To be clear to everybody on this channel, that net has never been used. So we want to, the virgin net needs to become unvirgin at this point. The rain has pretty much stopped for now, so we're going to go with oxygenated water. We think we have a better chance of catching fish today.
Yeah, let's go get some. Let's go get the big ones.
Peace
and
out.
Not let them get away.
We're out.
Hey, good morning.
Good morning, everybody. Early morning, White River, Arkansas. A little bit rainy. It's kind of rained
since we got here. Since before we got here.
And you know, we found out, unbeknownst to us since we're novices, we found out that the low pressure systems mean that rain comes and fish don't bite. So we got that.
Yeah, we should have kept our fish that we caught yesterday.
We did. We caught.
Because they weren't just big, they were big enough.
That was a beautiful day. I think we caught 10. We put back 9 of them.
Yeah, we're going to try to catch them again today.
Yeah, same ones. We're going back to the same hole. You know, the most interesting part of this is you can see these big trout under the water, and you sit your lure right near them.
You can't get them.
They just laugh at you. But we're going to fix that today.
It's easier to jump on them and bring them in.
That's the goal. So what else did we learn yesterday? What, live wire? Anything else?
Barometric pressure.
Yeah, we learned that.
When it's raining, the fish go down deeper and sit still and don't eat.
We learned that. How do we do with our tent? Is our tent's not floated away yet?
Yeah, putting up the tent right keeps you dry.
That rain fly worked really well.
Yeah.
We love this park. This is Bulls Shoals White River State Park. Gorgeous place. Recommend it to anybody and everybody that would want to camp up here. It's ultimate green right now because it's so wet. I got a question. How's it feel now that you've retired? How's it feel?
Feels good. Sleeping in is nice.
Yeah, sleeping in, fishing,
camping, fishing, being with you.
Oh my!
Reading a book.
Yeah, it's been great.
Coffee tastes better.
We still have one issue.
Drinking coffee for a different reason. Yeah.
We decided with those small trout we were not going to use this, so we still have a virgin net that we are going to fix today.
We're changing that today. We're eating the babies.
And you will, with any luck, we'll have a dinner picture tonight that will be showing off our eating
of trout.
Of trout eating.
Tiny pieces of trout.
All right, little salt and pepper. What do you think? You going to be the first to taste this? This is trout out of the White River. Not quite as big as we would have hoped, but it's still the real thing, just so we're clear.
Small fish tastes just as good.
I heard this tastes fishy. We'll see.
It's going to be hot.
Cheers. Ooh. Makes me want to eat more and go catch bigger ones so we can eat more of it.
Good.
Isn't that good?
Oh, that's good.
We made it to the top. We're at Mount Magazine. We're going to climb to Signal Hill shortly. Another, I don't know, half a mile or a mile to get to the top. Here we go. But we wanted everybody to see. What do you think?
Look at this view.
It's gorgeous. What a beautiful time to be at Mount Magazine, Arkansas.
Come on. Come on, let's go.
Let's do this. To the top of Arkansas we go. Listening for nature. Do you hear it? The great outdoors. Ain't that fun? You know what I'm looking for now? We're gonna find our black bear. Come on.
Here we are. We we've high pointed Arkansas. What a hike that was.
Big hike, big hike. Number 6?
I can barely breathe.
I think this is our number 6 high point.
Yes.
Well worth it. We'd show you more of the view, but it's really what you see here, just a bunch of trees. But we made it. Number 6. Hey, headed back to Austin, Texas. Beth, did we accomplish the goals we set, or bucket list in Arkansas?
Absolutely, we sure did. We caught trout, ate trout, and high pointed Mount Magazine.
Right on. The only other thing I added to your list was black bears. Seeing a black bear. Did we see one?
We did see one in the visitor center.
Yeah, and he was stuffed. I guess that has to count. The good news, he didn't eat us alive, so we came out ahead on that one. So we accomplished all we did. High pointed state number 6. Look, subscribe, hit the notification button as we come out with new adventures.
And come on with us.
Come on with us. Let's go. Bye for now.